Hello everyone, welcome to Channel TV. Full form of DGP, Director General of Police. Full form of IGP, Inspector General of Police. Full form of DIG, Deputy SP, Superintendent of Police. Full form of DYSP, Deputy Superintendent of Police. Full form of ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police. Full form of PI, Police Inspector. Full form of SI, Sub-Inspector. Full form of ASI, Assistant Sub-Inspector. Full form of HC, Head Constable. Next, top level ranks. Director General of Police, the head of the state police force. Additional Director General of Police assists the DGP in specific areas like crime, intelligence or administration. Inspector General of Police heads a range or zone within a state police force. Deputy Inspector General of Police heads a district or a large division within a range or zone. Next, middle level ranks. Senior Superintendent of Police heads a district police force. Superintendent of Police heads a district or a large division within a district. Deputy Superintendent of Police heads a subdivision or a large police station. Assistant Superintendent of Police assists the SP in various tasks, including investigation and law enforcement. Next, lower level ranks. Inspector of Police heads a police station. Sub-Inspector of Police investigates cases and supervises the work of constables. Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police assists the SI in investigations and other police duties. Head Constable supervises a group of constables and performs various clerical and security duties. Constable, the lowest rank in the police force responsible for patrolling, traffic control and other general duties. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.